Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make strawberry pie. First, gather your ingredients: fresh, ripe strawberries, a pre-made pie crust, sugar, and cornstarch. Begin by washing and hulling your strawberries, then slice them into halves or quarters, depending on their size. This initial preparation is key for a delicious and easy-to-assemble pie. Get ready to create a delightful dessert with minimal effort. Now, let's create that luscious filling. In a large bowl, gently combine your sliced strawberries with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Next, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, mixing until everything is evenly coated. Let this mixture sit for about 15 minutes. This allows the strawberries to release their natural juices, forming a beautiful, syrupy base for your pie. This step is crucial for flavor. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble your pie. Carefully pour the strawberry mixture into your pre-made pie crust, spreading it evenly. For an extra touch, you can arrange a few whole strawberries on top before baking for a lovely presentation. Place the pie on a baking sheet and preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a perfectly baked crust and filling. Now for the final steps. Bake your strawberry pie for 45 to 50 minutes or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Once baked, the hardest part is waiting. Let the pie cool completely on a wire rack for at least 3 hours before slicing. This allows the filling to set properly. Serve your delicious pie with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.